dependent on our money, that's a very sad state of affairs. So, when we do take in food that we're going to eat, we want to make sure that we eat the best possible food we can, and we want to give the body the best chance to make that food into you, that you can worship God and use tools like Atomy to help make His world a better place for everybody. People that appreciate it like we do, people that don't yet appreciate it, and people that don't yet know about it. So that's where Finezyme comes in, because that's one of the things that takes the food, breaks it down into the smallest components that it's made from, and then rebuilds it into a better you and I. And so we can glorify God with the tools that we have, and the biggest one being Atomy. The other thing it does is all day long we have viruses, we have bacteria, we have fungi attacking us, which is one of the reasons why we need omega-3, to make sure we keep down the inflammation and to make the best cell membranes of every cell in the human body. But the food that gets to the cell membrane, to get there, has to be broken down properly, and the bacteria and viruses that are trying to get inside, viruses get inside cells and they basically hijack them. So Finezyme helps prevent that all over the body. One of the things that we can do on a daily basis to not be walking around like this and like this is to take Finezyme, because all of the debris that's floating around in the body from the tissue that's constantly being rebuilt and refurbished, is the debris is floating around, and the Finezyme breaks that down so we could get rid of it through a urine and through our bowel movements. So that's the second biggest reason why we need to take Finezyme. We needed to digest the food, but we needed to digest the tissue or the junk that's floating around in the body. Not to mention it's delicious. You take Finezyme, and actually I use it as a flavoring in some of the dishes that I make. And it's working pretty well, because now I'm down almost 20 pounds in the last less than a month. So, and I eat like crazy, but I'm just eating the right things. And now the other thing is, like right now it's like 9 o'clock at night. I'm done eating for the night. I'll probably go to bed about midnight. What I suggest that you do is at least 3 hours, preferably 4, eat nothing. I'm having that cup of coffee is the last thing I have. Then I'll have some water. I'll probably go tinkle. I'll brush my teeth. I'll go to sleep. That's it. And then in the morning is my biggest meal of the day. I eat like crazy in the morning, which is you want to eat like a king or a queen in the morning.